So this is the delivery. We're checking out tomorrow, but this is a delivery that we just got, and my hunch is so. This is a thank you. I'll let you guys see it. It's a nice touch. I don't want to ruin this with people. There was all right. So I have the wife opening the. Let me move the phones out of the way here. The little gift bag here. It's more Aruba Aloe stuff. So some lotion, some hand lotion. Some more After Sun, some lip balm. Nice. The nice touch in here. My hunch is that this one there's some cake pops. I don't know where those disappeared to, but little. I'm assuming these are cake pops of some sort, but they're really like well done. It's kind of pretty, little seashell. But my hunch is that this was a combo of something we were supposed to get when we checked in, and then something we're supposed to get when we checked out. We checked in at a weird time, so we came here at 9 o'clock. So we already had a cabana set up for the first day because we were just moving down the beach. So it's not like we were flying in. So we were well before our check-in time. So they had no idea. The only person who knew that we were arriving that early was a concierge who had set up the cabana, and that was fantastic just to roll in. We came in our bathing suits, flip flops, like we didn't fit in, but that's my hunch is that we kind of threw a little monkey wrench in their plans, because I'm assuming that some of this stuff was supposed to be like on arrival, but either way, really nice touch, and my apologies for messing up the flow here.